Hello, wonderful students. Welcome to week 8. And this week we are continuing learning about different places in Africa. So to find this week, you will go inside the Africa Distance Learning folder, click on week 8, and let's see what's happening. Hey, good news, there's only 4 days this week because Friday is a teacher workshop day. That means if you have any missing work, you have Friday to work on it. And so we'll have new lessons Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is your choice. So let's look what's happening on Monday. On Monday, we're going to learn about the tropical rainforest. So I have a screencast for you, then some notes, and finally the Jamboard. Let me show you the Jamboard. We're using the same one as last week, and you can see at the top that there's some arrows. So we already did the Sahara, the Sahel, and the Savannah. I loved the work I saw in these Jamboards. Thank you so much. We're going to continue this week with the tropical rainforest, the Congo River, and also the Nile River. So we are learning about the rainforest on Monday. So you will do the Jamboard about the rainforest on Monday. And then I know a lot of you really are interested in animals, so I have an extension for you. If you'd like to learn more about the animals that are in the tropical rainforest, click on this link, and it's going to bring you to the profiles of a bunch of species, different animals that are in the rainforest. So go ahead and learn about some of those and post in the discussion if you want to. That is optional for you if you are interested. Okay, so Monday is going to be all about the rainforest. Let's see, Tuesday. Tuesday is going to be about the Congo River. So again, we have a screencast and you have a little bit of notes. I don't have an extension today, but we do have the Jamboard. So showing you the Jamboard, it is going to be this one about the Congo River. Okay, that wasn't too hard. Let's go back and see what's going on Wednesday. Wednesday, we're going to learn about the Nile. So we have a short screencast about the Nile, some notes about the Nile, and the Jamboard about the Nile. So the Nile will be the last one Jamboard that we will do this week. Okay, so you're going to learn about the rainforest, then the Congo River, then the Nile River. On Thursday, you're going to show me what you've learned. Thursday is going to be fun because it's a chance for you to get summative points and it's a chance for you to be creative. So there's 2 options and I need you to listen to the directions of how to do the different options because I want to be very clear about what I need. One option is to do a postcard, and if you choose to do the postcard, you're gonna choose a place in Africa we've studied. I gave you directions of how to do the postcard and an example. So you're gonna be writing, and this I wrote to Mr. AJ, but you're gonna write to me using this blank page. Here's my example, and I go over the example and all of the directions in a lot of detail on day 36. So I need you to listen to this video. If you don't want to do a postcard and you'd rather do a Flipgrid, you can do that too. And the main idea would be a trip to Africa Flipgrid. And you would be using this script to tell me about a place you would like to go in Africa. And I have an example for you here. You can tell I want to go somewhere with camels. I put a lot of detailed directions inside the Thursdays folder, and if you need more time to do that on Thursday, there's also maybe you could prepare it on Thursday and actually record it or post it on Friday. It's up to you since we have a long weekend. But I wanted to kind of wrap up our learning of what we learned so far about the different places in Africa. So looking back on the week, it is 3 days of learning about new places. Thursday is going to be about showing me what you know, and we'll leave it there. Have a great week.